everyone, this is Jan. So I'm doing an unboxing. I'll be perfectly honest, I bought it because I saw it on Facebook and I said, no, I really do need that. And so I looked first on Etsy, they didn't have it there. And so I looked at their website and I even tried Amazon.com, they didn't have it there either. So I said, all right, screw it. I'll go ahead and go to their website, but what was great about it was they have the Shop app. The Shop app, to be able to do your purchases, is a much more secure way of doing it, and that's why I said yes to it. It's kind of like the vintage leather, it's the exact same thing. They had the Shop app, I said sure, after I had already tried Etsy at 2 different sources and they didn't have the size I was looking for. But this guy, this is from conquestjournals. Yes, I'm reading the title. conquestjournals, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what it is. Okay. Oh. First time buying from them. And yes, I bought it. It wasn't given to me, I bought it. So, okay, and it says conquestjournals. There you go. All right. Oh, look at that. Huh. They gave me stickers. Waiting for my Hogwarts letter, which seems to be the theme. And they gave more stickers. Look at that. Gryffindor, Hufflepuff. Where's Ravenclaw? Is it on the back? Nope. Okay. All right. I got this guy. Yeah. And I also got, okay, and I got the calendar because I need a new calendar for this upcoming year. Let us send this guy down. Okay, so this is it. Enchanted Days of the Wall Calendar has was these guys on the back, and again, don't put this over your head. I did like the vintage look that they had on it, so I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can. There you go. So that was one of my sure why nots. Thank you for your order. Follow us on social media. Please share your experience with our product by leaving us a great review on Amazon. Except I didn't buy it through Amazon. So sure, we could do that. Alrighty. So, and you have, what I like about this is you actually have the dates of the characters. So that's pretty cool. Cool. So we have that. So that is my new calendar for this upcoming year. Take this stuff in. Okay. And then this is my day planner because I do have it on my phone. I do have the wall calendar, but you know, I also need something that I flip through as well because when your battery goes dead, it is a pain in the neck. So you have Hogwarts in the back, this in the front. Alrighty, so this is what we got. Ah, look at this, another Amazon review. All right, you got your plastic ruler, time to plan, gives you January. This was interesting to me. What I liked was, all right, so you have magical habits of teaching. So there you go. For January, it has your listing for the train, the days. What I also liked was how this was laid out. For this is January with the time turner, very, you know, very good. And also look at this. They actually put like the drawings of the people for their birthday. As well as potions at the top. That was very interesting. You can actually kind of see it. Yep. All right, so February does the exact same thing. They also had some notes in the back. They're just plain sheets and stickers. I'm not so much of a sticker fan, so it's not too much for me. And Mischief Manage, very cute. They're clear stickers as well. And then you have, you know, this. Gets to hold more stuff. But yep, there you go. So this is my new day planner for 2026. So yeah, that's about it. I'm looking forward to using it and see how well is it to work with. And it also just kind of fits the vibe of my room, what it's going to be. Right now, it doesn't fit with the vibe unless you're called a box. And I don't mean a decorative box, but soon that should be fixed as soon as I finish my conquestjournal Halloween decorations. I'm really quite looking forward to that. But got a lot to do, so I'm going to leave you with this. Well worth it. The cost of it, I got it on sale. I think I spent a total of $50 for both because they had like a discount with it. All right, thank you very much. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.